right, well, the gate's done. The gate's done. The fence is done to there. I had to do some redneck homestead engineering. I had to add 4 boards. That's how crooked that tree is that I attached the gate to. So you can see all the rocks we have. So putting like a 4x4 or something in there, I guess, I don't know. It works, you know, it'll work. So now I got to run around. I got to sharpen some posts and go around here, and I'll bring you back for some of that or put you on time lapse. Hey guys, so I've been having some audio issues lately, so I didn't even put the first part of this video in, but we're getting pigs actually tomorrow. So this is just a video of me refurbishing the pig pen from last year. You'll see that I built a little makeshift house for them, and right now I'm just pounding in some posts to add some insulators between the T-posts that I had put the electric line on. It was a quick job last year while the pigs were in there, just to keep them in. I'm trying to reinforce it for now. Post about killed me putting him in. So rocky. Good Lord, man. Well, I just got back with another bale of hay. They're close to 1,000 pounds, these bales. So, unfortunately, I don't have any way to stab this with my skid steer. I'd much rather do this with my skid steer. This is on the edge of my tractor's weight limit. So, you got to put this guy on. This fork, or this spear, mounts on the bucket. So, let's get that on the tractor. And then we got to take that up, put it up there, that I can, feed it to the goats. Hopefully, we'll be making hay soon. But ever since I got the baler, it's been raining. like every third day, and I just don't have. I need a tedder to make it that I could make it quicker, you know. And then what's today? Today's the 6th. Yeah, whatever. Like the 18th, my birthday. I hit 60 on the 18th, and I have a lot of bales to pick up by hand, so I need days. I need days to make hay. I did pick up another field though, so just a mile down the road. That's awesome. Alright, had to get her on the flat to put a brake on, but Kiva stinks to high heaven. Ah, Kiva, yeah, get away from me. There was a skunk here last night. It was bad. She thought she would protect us from it. Woo! Alright, there it is. I had to use 2 hands, boys and girls. Alright, well, the water's here. It's ready to go, except for we got to put a strap around the tree, which is over there. And then here's the house. It's the levelest place I could find. Alright, so here's the house. It's 3 pallets, 4 pallets. I'm going to put a stake in this before I put the pigs in and stake it down so they can't root that up. But it's in there. It's the pigs. They're not going to go anywhere. Or I shouldn't say that. It's pigs. They don't need the Hilton. Most of the time, when it's warm and it's raining, they're laying out here anyways. So... but they're 25 pounds. They don't know this is home. So they're going to be in here with, I'll put some hay in there. They're going to get fed in here. They're going to get their water in here. I just got to put a stake there, and I got to tie that up so they can't knock that out. Put some wire on that. That one's jammed in. They're not getting that out. And they'll be in here for about a week, right? Probably a week till they figure out we're king of their world right now. And then, yeah, then they'll have all this area to roam. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. We're picking the pigs up sometime tomorrow. We haven't heard yet. And I've got other stuff to do. My belt came, although I'm going to run the belt until it blows. I got all new teeth, or not all new, but I got 36 new teeth for the rake, so that'll be in the next video. I don't know, probably not going to be haying yet because we have rain in the forecast through Tuesday. So as soon as I get a baler, it won't stop raining, you know. And then like 3 weeks from now, I'll be bitching that we need rain. But all right. Appreciate it if you hit that subscribe, the thumbs up, really trying hard on these videos, but this is real life. It's not always some cool project. I know everybody wants to see that baler running, and it's kind of anticlimactic, but you know, we raise all our own food here, and these pigs are going to be our food. So they had to take precedent over the baler. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace out.